Then the option is my profile. Here you will see the details of your profile. The next option is manage. That is, you can manage all the gigs that you have created. The video is mainly for those of you who are freelancers. You want to sell any of your service to Fiverr apps or buy any service. Now, you don't know how to sell or buy those on Fiverr, or you don't understand Fiverr well. Then the video is for you. Don't skip and watch the entire video. So for this, you can go to fiverr.com or Fiverr apps and install it on any browser and open it. So first you have to create an account on Fiverr and then log in. So those of you who don't know how to create an account on Fiverr, please tell me in the comments. If you comments, I will make a video for you on how to open and create on Fiverr. How to open an account on Fiverr and verify it. So what you see first is where you will see different type of services. Here you can pursue service from different freelancers or service that they provide. And if you are in seller mode, your profile details will be shown here. Now the option you see in the message option, you will see all the buyers you have told the here in the message option. Then there is a search option. In the search option, you can search for any service according to your needs. Then you can see that manage order means that when a buyer order you can come here and manage it. You can confirm his order and contact him. The next option is the profile option. After clicking on the profile there, you can see the seller option by trying it on or off. You can sell your service here and purchase various services. So I am a freelancer digital marketer expert. I will put the seller mode here. Then there is a earning option. The amount you earn from here will show here, and then there is a customized center. Here is a customized offer template. That is if you create an offer of your egg here, or if you create an offer of a service that you more than a small price, you can simply customize it. The next business is briefs. You will see your briefs here. Then the option is my profile. Here you will see the details of your profile. The next option is manage. That is, you can manage all the gigs that you have created. That is, through this you can invite your friends. Then there is a performance option. Here you will get objective in different way. From here you can select them. Option will be get account settings. Then by going to support, you can get different type of helps, and by going to communication, you will get different information. This is profile option and this is gig. Here you can see different type of gigs. Among them are social media manage, e-commerce manage, social media ads and Google ads. As a freelancer, you can create different types of gigs here and sell them. Those are the different option and introduction of Fiverr apps. So how did you like this video? Please comment. If you have any problems, comment me. Then I will create a related video for you. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. May everyone be well and healthy. Thank you very much to everyone.